think he's got something. Where's your pheasant, Bruiser? Where's your pheasant? Man. Good boy. Good puppy dog. Get him, Bruiser. Good boy. Bring him here. Bring it here, Bubby. Get your pheasant. Bring it here. Bring him here, puppy. Bring him here, Bruiser. Let me see. Who got the pheasant? Got the pheasant. You're good, puppy. Get him. Get him, Bruiser. Get him. Get him. Oh, good puppy. He's on right at his feet. Get ready. Get him, Bruiser. Get him. Get him. Fly, son of a bitch. Get him. The damn thing don't want to fly. Look at him. Get him, Bruiser. Get that pheasant. Get him. Where'd he go? Is it fucking wounded or something? Hey, you stay there, I'll kick it up. Yeah. Where'd he go, Bruiser? Where'd he go? Where is he? He's burrowed in deep. I think it was somebody hit one and it can't fly, or where is he at? Oh, you guys, I was wondering. He was pouncing on something. He's got. I know there's what they're both on it. It ain't flying though. Yeah, it's right here. It's hit already. Yeah. Get him, Bruiser. Bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here, Bubby. Bring him here. That guy's looking for a buck apparently, and he just flushed up a pheasant. Hey, he's got one. Get ready.